Yon World, what's the deal? It's your boy Original, back with another one for y'all, man. Now check this out today on my YouTube channel. We going over Google. Now Google just announced they giving out ad credits for everybody who has used the Google Ads platform in the past year. Anybody who has an active Google Ads account for the past year, Google is about to drop ad credits in your account so you can still run ads to your offers, to your promotional service, to your music, anything that you was running Google Ads toward, your website. You will receive an ad credit just for having an active account on Google. Now, Google made its own relief package, its own stimulus package, and it's for $800 million. Now, they about to give to health organizations, they giving $10,000 to anybody who works for Google. Anybody, as long as you work for Google, you get a $10,000 check. But if you advertise with Google, if you use Google Ads as a business owner, as an independent, small business, somebody that's, driving traffic to your business, obviously, you are about to receive an ad credit, and they are allocating $340 million for this, man. So, yeah, man, Google about to give out free ads. They doing 250 to advertising grants to the World Health Organization. They giving 20 million to Google Cloud credits for academic institution and researchers. 20 million that will help NGOs and financial institutions and small businesses. So, 200 million for that. Yeah, I said 200. But yeah, man, it's a whole article about this. But they just released this yesterday, I believe. So yeah, yesterday, March 27th. So yeah, man, 2020 is crazy, to say the least. You know what I'm saying? But we gotta stay prayed up out here, and any funding that's available in this crazy time that you can get, I want to make y'all aware of. And yeah, I just want y'all to know, I know this video won't apply to everybody. That's why I'm not even about to make it long. But for people who have been advertising with Google, anybody who has, small businesses, normal people, that have had an active Google Ads account, and you ran campaigns, you know what I'm saying? And all your information is set up, you will receive an ad credit. They just announced this, so you can just be expecting a notification, email, something, to your Google Ads email. So you will receive an email about this. Y'all gotta drink green tea, unsweetened though. Unsweetened, it just tastes like what it tastes. It tastes like some good water. You know what I'm saying? Some water with some antioxidants, some water with some benefits. They'd be like, it should be you know what I'm saying? But shout out to Google, shout out to Alphabet. Your boy Yon World been running them ads. So yeah, we about to get a little ad credit. But it's your boy Yon World. That's my, entertaining, educational, Yon World video. Make sure you leave a like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, man. We dropping videos like YouTube about to end. We dropping videos like YouTube about to end because other day YouTube shut down. Other day YouTube had crashed. Google's so resilient, people probably weren't even making videos about it. But if you look up on Twitter, Google had crashed for the creators. We wasn't able to upload. At least I wasn't. My junk was saying error for some hours. I'm like, dog, what the fuck going on with my Google account, Google? But I did some research on Twitter, and I found out everybody was getting that internal server error when you tried to upload a video like in Creator Studio. You gotta be a creator to know what I'm talking about. But y'all was probably, if you watch videos, you probably didn't even notice. You was probably just watching videos. But some people, you just had to upload later in the day, and you wouldn't have ran into the problem. But I be uploading. Like right now, it's 11:18. I be uploading. But yeah, man, that's my video for today, man. Shout out to Silicon Valley. Shout out to Alphabet. Shout out to Google. Man, shout out to AdSense. Shout out to Google Ads. You already know it's your boy Yon World. And yeah, Google just allocated 340 million in ad credits. So if you've been running ads, you probably as happy as me, man. I can't wait to see my little $1,000 credit. I know they about to give me $1,000.